Hey there, biohackers! Ready to transform your nights for peak performance? Today I'm diving into. Let's get started with some game-changing techniques and tools. First up, the king of sleep biohacks. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day trains your body's internal clock. This consistency can boost your sleep quality and energy levels. Next, let's talk about your bedroom should be cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains and a white noise machine. These small tweaks can make a massive difference. Now on to blue light from screens can mess with your melatonin production. Try wearing blue light blocking glasses a couple of hours before bed. Trust me, you'll notice the improvement. Another powerful tool is magnesium can help relax your muscles and mind, preparing you for a restful night. Consider a high-quality magnesium glycinate supplement. Don't forget about. Use a sleep tracker to monitor your sleep patterns and identify areas for improvement. Apps like Sleep Cycle or wearable tech like Oura Ring can provide valuable insights. And here's a quick tip from our previous videos. Visualize your ideal sleep routine in the morning, afternoon, and evening. This can help solidify your commitment to better sleep. Finally, let's talk about spend the last hour before bed away from screens, engaging in relaxing activities like reading or meditation. This will signal your body that it's time to sleep. That's it for today's biohacking session. Try these tips and watch your nights transform. Remember, better sleep equals better performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the alert bell to be notified about biohacking and other health and wellness tips at Peak Mind Provisions 369. See you next time.